So the thing is here, the lake is just freezing over. It wasn't even frozen until today. Yesterday it wasn't frozen. And so I just noticed something, that when you throw a rock on this, the sound it makes is really interesting. Here we go. Not quite so much. Here, let's try it again. Do another one. I think flat rocks work the best. Let's see here. Takes a second because they're frozen on the ground. Okay, here we go. Ready? Still going. Let's try one more. You're gonna get a nice flat rock here. It's like skipping rocks, but on ice. Lots of rocks here too. Just trying to find the perfect one. Yeah, bigger rock. See how this works. Too big. Well, let's see. Here we go. This one's a good one. We'll go out this way now. Still going. Oh well, I'm gonna run my phone out here. There you go.